How to disable promotional messages in OneXpert. First of all, open the OneXpert app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, look for the menu icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on it. Next, tap Settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Inside the settings, find and tap on Push Notifications. In the Push Notification section, you will see different categories of notification, including promotional offers. Turn off or disable the toggle for promotional messages to stop receiving these notifications. After that, go back to Settings and tap on Manage Subscription. Here you can see all the subscriptions related to email and messages. Make sure to unsubscribe or disable any promotional message subscription listed here. This will prevent OneXpert from sending you promotional SMS or other marketing messages. And that's it. Now you know how to disable promotional messages in OneXpert. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.